Hello everyone, today I will show you how to underline text in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this underline option and click on this down arrow and select underline. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text you want to underline and this text now underline, and this right sidebar here you will find this properties option. You can apply and change different underline and clicking on this hand option and see this underline now applied here. This underline thickness and again click here and select underline and draw text and select and change underline color, and you can increase decrease this underline thickness and see this. Also you can add dash underline, dot underline, and also you can change this underline opacity and so on. Yeah, this is in this way you can insert underline to text and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.